Concrete Way, the best in the West. We build the dream homes. We specialize in crafting luxurious outdoor spaces using custom concrete design with a variety of colors and designs and styles. For a driveway or a heated driveway to heat the driveway in the winter, or you want sidewalk, walkway, or stairs to go around your property, backyard, back patio, or simply to build a small wall or architectural wall to your backyard or the side of the house, as well as building stairs around the house or up to the house, or if you want architectural or floating stairs to your property. We work with homeowners, builders, developers, renovators, landscapers, and all the industry trades. We could help them with all their projects from any stage of the project, whether you want to start with us or you want to prepare your projects and we pour and place the project for you, or you want us to prepare the project, including removing old concrete and put in new concrete, or want us to build the concrete from the scratch with forming, rebar, compacting, gravel, and everything involved to the final product. Concrete Way revolutionize the concrete industry and make outstanding impact in the Lower Mainland and the West Coast. Contact us for a free assessment and a free quote.